Abeebembezi aba bahaye enshonga zaabo zo kushashurwa sente nkye omu rukiiko rw'ebiro bibiri rwo kuganiira aha mbarira y'ihanga orwigo rwa heriizooba ha Las Vegas Hotel omu rurembo Mbarara.
Twine problem y'emishahara itakwingana. Hati waza mu district imbasa kwekyo kurebera. Hati kawo natunga miliyoni 10. Konka mukama weche yamani natunga miliyoni 1.5. DHO oshanga natunga miliyoni 6. Hati yamana ryari yemwe shanga. Oshanga ngo ugomborora kwiza accounting officer ate sub county revenue natunga 1.9. So nabwo echo tukashaba government ngo enhancing emishara.
Hati wachikara kawo mukama this chairperson. Cow reporting to this chairperson. This chairperson nafuna miliyoni 2.5 tuko kusara mtufuna net salary ya miliyoni 2.5 sasa na mkawo. Cow bamutira miliyoni 12 n'emtwaro sanga. Hato yubuza hato mkamano.
Orukiiko oru rurimu bakuru b'entebe za kataano ba RDC ba kawo n'abandi beebembezi okuruga omu disitulikiti ezirimu Bushenyi, Buhwejo, Shema, Rubirizi hamwe na Kitagwenda.
We appeal to the president kandi hata ichirize hata sente yatayo 2 billion. So ninde ateka 2 billion basereza buri district yani municipality nizabasa okugiye kizakora. Konkana bwe twine challenge. We are going to get 2 billion. Yes. Koko twatunga 2 billion twine machinery.
Shema district netunga around 28 billion per financial year. Zo supportinga emirimo ya government mu district. Esente ezo we hari ekiziri gukora konko post ziri kumana. For instance, comme Obwegyese no shanga ibyombeko biri kubimnonga toilets yo kombeshera abana toilets na classrooms kuzirehabilitating ezimwe ziri kubi like for instance hari iki kibagambe cha accommodation y'abashomesa ibi byona turukora kurungi
hona ababasha bwo kugumisiriza bagumiza government neja kushikiriza buri kimwe.
So members, requesting for your patience. When we get resources, all of us are going to have our salaries enhanced.
We are proposing to have even debt financing to ensure that we procure the full equipment and also supply municipalities and cities, and at the same time give those supervision vehicles. So everything is in plan. We are just working with finance.
Ministry y'Ebyesente eriyo neetorora ihanga ryona okubugana abeebembezi baza government z'ebyanga okubeebuuzaho enshonga ezirikuteganisa ebyanga byabo kiyambe government yaba neekora embarira y'ihanga gasha kwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.